Well, as you noted, Title 42 was sort of the final piece of President Trump's effort to undermine our asylum laws. And as you noted as well, the policy is used to expel people without giving them any chance to request asylum, which means they're either pushed back into Mexico where they have no safe place to live, or they're sent back to the very danger that they were fleeing in the first place, which means that most people have come back after being expelled under this policy, waiting for a chance to seek protection that will save their life. And I think the longer the policy remains in place, the more people there are waiting to enter. And in all candor, I think those numbers have scared the administration from taking action to end the policy. I think what we saw yesterday was an order from the Supreme Court saying that it would consider a request from 19 states who want to intervene in an ongoing, nearly year-long lawsuit between the ACLU and the Biden administration, in which the ACLU is seeking to end the policy. Back in November, a federal court ordered an end to the policy, taking a close look at the rationale for the policy in the first place and finding there was no reason that the policy needed to continue, given everything that has changed with the pandemic. He looked at the policy and recognized the lie, the fallacy underneath continuing it. That decision drew the attention of 19 states who have now asked to intervene in the case. And the Supreme Court said it would like to hear from those states on this procedural issue. What it didn't do was rule on the merits of Title 42 and whether or not the policy should end. And that's where we are at the moment, potentially staring down weeks and maybe months before the Supreme Court looks at this issue while the border remains closed and while people remain in danger.